Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be checking out the Dumbal Drive by Donner. I love this pedal. I really like the sound and I use it as a light stage boost or drive, and I would love to hear what you guys think about this pedal. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So looking at the pedal here, we have 4 different knobs. This one being the treble, the bass, the volume, and the gain. And then we have 3 different modes in the middle. Those will be the clipping, the top one being more open, the middle one giving more nature to it, and then the bottom one giving more sustain and compression. Right now I have it set to where I would have it on a typical Sunday morning, and I'll let you guys have a listen. And that's typically where I'll run it for a regular Sunday service. And now I'll just go ahead and go through all the stuff and let you guys hear it. that's pretty much for the pedal. But now I'll let you guys listen to the pedal with some other pedals on the board with some reverb and some other drives boosting into it. So here's with my Pog clone and some reverb. Now I'll let you guys hear what it sounds like with some of the riffs that we'll use in a church service. And that's going to be it for the Dumbal Drive. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also leave a comment. Let me know what you think of it. If you guys would also like to purchase this pedal, I'll leave a link in the description below. This pedal's a little bit cheaper, ranges from $50 to $65. And as always, have a good day, and I'll see you guys next time.